How's it going, guys? On our way to Eppalock.
Go on, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate.
Early morning. So on our way to Eppalock, almost there. So it's going to be a good day on the boat. Gonna go fishing. Might try wakeboarding for the first time. So that'll be interesting. Got the fam in the other cars. So when we get there, I'll continue the video. So cheers. On the boat, the family, friends. Be good. There's the boat in the thing, camp set up, everything. Oi, he's off. Jet's off. What? Brandon's off. You alright? You alright?
Oh, I'm dying.
You're dying?
Save me.
Alright, jet's off. Jet's off. And the roll off. Yeah. And it's ripped. So some redneck ingenuity. I'm going to pop some holes in. Some zip ties in. It's going to work, trust me. You want it? In the Lancer, over there. We're going to go through the water over here. Me and Zach are on the back of the tray. Going to pick up my brother-in-law, Zach, as well. Yeah, go for it. Yeah, go for it. That's got to be the best pirate I've ever seen. Happy birthday! So amazing. And now back. It's not deep at all. It's quite anticlimactic actually. I thought it was going to be deeper. Because I drove the boat here. Yeah, from the boat ramp to the right around corner. Yeah. Yeah, see? You probably could have. Oh, shit. You alright? Nice. Blade's trying wakeboarding for the first time. The choppiness has settled down a little bit. So hopefully. Nah, immediately.
Well done.
First try's a fail. Number 2. And up. What are you doing, baby? Are you wakeboarding?
Look at your other son.
Still chilling in the donut?
He's like, I'm mad.
I'm doing a
Why are you so angry?
He's doing a poo.
Are you doing a poo?
Yeah, you're doing a poo, aren't you?
Doing a poo?
I'm not recording.
Push
it.
Nah,
You look so angry. And this one. He's moving. Oh, you have to go decent on the thing so you can get to speed. Oh, he's up. Yeah. Oi! That would have hurt. Yep.
Wait.
Yeah, he needs a little bit. He needs a little bit of speed, so that way he can balance himself. He can't balance himself without a little bit of speed. No.
Sounds too slow.
Yeah.
Why you just smack yourself in the face?
That's what I did the first time over. He's going to try and strap it with on his knees while stationary.
Yeah, what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to lay down on it.
And get a bit of
Once you're
speed.
going, yeah, a bit of speed. You pull yourself up with your hands, put the strap on, then grab the
Yeah.
Are you doing that? Oh, yeah, go forward.
Yeah. Firing too. Oh, he lost it. Alright, Fizz is running away from him.
Go forward.
See if he can get up this time. Now that he knows the technique. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Whoa, there you go. He's up. Man, I funny when he is. I've been telling how the... Hey, there you go. Bit of tricks. And he's off. Jet's first attempt. First attempt ever. He's never even been on a kneeboard, so we'll see how he goes. Hey! He got up though. He was up on his knees. Yep. Straps on, he's got the handle. Oh! Straps on. Yeah, there you go, strap on. Hey! He did it! He did that! Oh, he saved it! He saved it. Hey! Fifth attempt and final attempt. Hey! He's off. Kangaroos. Kangaroos having a drink. What's up, Skippy? Flip. Oh, that was full rotation. Nice. First attempt. He's off. Yeah, right on. Back on. Oh, that was cold. Final attempt. And he's off.
Wait. Guys off. Good day.
Leaving the site. Grandpa. Hayes. Blade's actually driving Hayes.
Creepy video while.
Look at her. No struggle at all.
Caught steering.
No struggle at all. Beautiful. Mum and Dad in the canter, towing the boat.
Buy yourself a front.
Mitsubishi canter. Bloody animal. Look at her. Brody in the Mazda BT50 with Zach on the back. Nice. How's your day?
Not too bad, thanks, mate.
Yeah, it was awesome. This is Grandpa.
There you go.
Yeah, Adrian. What is this car again? X-Trail, yeah? Yeah. Does alright for a little four-wheel drive. He only had it in two-wheel drive, yeah, there you go. It's not too deep, nothing serious. How's your dad day? How's your dad? How's your day? How was your day? How's your day?
Yeah, we had a great day. Boys went out on the boat and that. We were swimming with the kids and all that. So
Yeah, it was awesome.
it was funny watching everyone get flung off. So
Dad, how was your day?
Wicked. Wore me out. Yeah, no, really good. Except for the waves. Like a little bit wavy, but
It's
kids
still,
didn't
it's
give
still
a
good.
shit.
Still good.
Yeah. You boys
That-
don't care.
That's everything. Awesome day. So, cheers, guys.
Oh, I'm so glad he's toasting.
See my boy.
I'm toasting.
Did your brother want to?
You have fun?